Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change email in Facebook. So first of all, log in into your Facebook account and click on Account, Settings and Privacy, Settings, Account Settings, and here you'll find Contact section, and inside of this contact section you will get your email address. To change your email, click on Edit, and to change your email address you will need to add another email address. So click on Add Another Email Address and put here your new email address and click on Add. And now you will need to verify your new email address. So click on Confirm, and you will get a verification code to your email address. All you have to do is just enter the code here and click on OK. And here you can see my email has been verified. Okay, after adding your new email address, you'll need to click on Make Primary, and after that your email will be changed. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.